Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Roblox draining your iPhone's battery super fast, even faster than other games? Here are the setting changes that make a real difference. First, go to your settings and then search for Roblox in the app list. Tap on it and then turn the background app refresh off. This stops Roblox from running in the background, preloading data and syncing activity when you're not actively in the app, which drains battery even when you are not playing. After turning that off, go to your settings again and then scroll down to privacy and security. Here, click location services and make sure to find Roblox and change it from always to while using the app. Roblox does not need your GPS location constantly, and having it set to always burns battery continuously. Now, inside the Roblox app, go to settings and then find graphics, and once you find it, lower your graphics level. The higher the graphics quality, the harder your iPhone processor works and the faster your battery drains. Skip the setting to 1 or 2 gives you much better battery life. So all you gotta do is go to settings, go to Roblox, go to background app refresh and turn it off, location services to while using, and lower graphic level inside Roblox. Battery lasts much longer, and that's it. Subscribe.